Commission of India. Can you also
No, it is impossible to understand that in the era of digital India, we don't have digital voter list. An election commission chooses not to do that, chooses not to have machine readable voter list. I think the greatest loss after the recent elections in Bihar is the loss of trust and faith in the Chief Election Commission. That money was being distributed in the middle of an election campaign shows the levels to which the Election Commission has forgotten its constitutional duty. Therefore, my sincere advice is that if the Election Commission wants to regain its trust in the eyes of the Indian public, then the upcoming elections should have machine-readable voter lists. This is a demand that has been raised by Mr. Rahul Gandhi himself, and it is unfathomable that why when the government talks about Smart India, Startup India, Stand Up India, Digital India, Aadhaar, UPI, IT, AI, that this government wants government officers to go and collect information on paper and have no verification on them. So clearly people are realizing that the faith in the Election Commission of India is eroding day by day.
So is there any apprehension about this, to bring the people from the voters or from the outside to Assam during this period?
No, absolutely. If you don't have machine readable voter list, the BJP, this is their modus operandi. This is not a new thing. They will do it. But had the Election Commission of India performed its role, that they are the custodian of the voter list, they will not allow any political party to infiltrate the voter list in this manner. And if the Election Commission of India actually did its job, then no party, forget the BJP, no party would have been able to infiltrate it. But today the BJP is getting a clear opportunity to bring thousands of people into targeted booths, into targeted seats. Therefore, a few addition of 1,000 can overturn the verdict of the people of India. And it is absolutely unfathomable that when India can produce CEOs of Google, Microsoft, why cannot India have machine readable digital smart voter lists? Thank you.